Hey guys, this is Mrs. Ernst here, and today I'm going over instructions for Thursday. Thursday, as you can obviously see, is going to be a very short day for you guys, so please enjoy it. Alright, so we have a read around with Oprah Winfrey, and so I thought you guys would enjoy this book. After that, please make sure your child is getting on ice station reading for 30 minutes, please. It's important. After that, we have a decodable reader with me that you guys will watch, and we have a game called Say the Sound that you guys will watch. We have Cassie Stevens for art, and we're still working on Superhero Week. Or you have the choice art board that you can work on. Okay? We have Community Circle Read Aloud, and in this read aloud, it's a really good book, and as I'm going through the book, kind of talk to your child about how people are different from each other and how that benefits them as our world. We have a video about sound energy that you guys are going to be watching. As always, here's my contact information if you need anything, and these are your QR codes for you guys to be using if these do not work for you, okay? You guys have a great day. Bye.